Perhaps one of the best things about using e-bikes is their ability to easily commute between locations in a city. They aren't big and bulky like cars and trucks, and even better, they don't consume gas, which is at ridiculous prices these days. The thing that broke the camel's back was the traffic. Work commutes were unbearable and often resulted in tardiness. This specific reason spawned HeyBike, and their original goal was to make a commuting e-bike that would solve their problems. The Cityscape electric cruiser bike was created and it made waves. It got people to where they were going, sure, but even more significant than that, it introduced this electric biking world to many new people. Since that first bike, the company has branched out into all manner of e-bikes and the equipment that goes with them. Like the subject of today's video, the Mars electric bike. So what exactly is the Mars electric bike? Simply put, this is an excellent e-bike for anyone looking to get in on the wonderful hobby or is looking for vehicle alternatives. The chassis has a similar construction to an exercise bike, but this one isn't restrained to a particular location. It even folds up in 2 simple steps so you can take it to the office or store it with ease. One of the first things you'll notice about the Mars electric bike is the fat tires. They are puncture resistant and offer a large surface area for excellent traction that can tackle any terrain. Above the rear tire is the rear rack, with 100 pounds of carrying capacity. Attached to that is a tail light, and swinging around to the other side of the bike, you'll find the LED headlight. Continuing upward from the headlight, we'll look at the handlebars and what's attached to them. A multifunction display lets you monitor battery capacity, speed, motor output, and how many miles you've ridden. There's also a 7-speed Shimano gear shift and 3 levels of pedal assistance. The Mars electric bike comes strapped with a 500-watt brushless motor and a 48-volt, 12.5 amp-hour lithium battery to pump it full of power. And we know you're curious, so we'll tell you that this is a Class 2 e-bike with a max speed of 20 miles per hour. You can hit a bit higher than that, but you'll be looking at going down hills for that speed. As for range, you're looking at around 37 miles if you use solely electric acceleration, or roughly 48 miles if you use pedal assistance. Those specs assume that you're riding along a road or similar paved pathway. Off-roading will yield lower miles, as you might expect. The recommended rider size is between 5 foot 3 inches and 6 foot 3 inches, with a maximum load capacity of 330 pounds. As we mentioned before, if you want a Mars electric bike for yourself, you're looking at a price of around $1,100, with free shipping to the continental United States and a 2-year warranty. If you're looking for a bit more, you can buy your bike with a saddlebag or basket for a little more money. Head on down to the comments and let us know what you think. We'd love to hear your feedback. Have a great day.